This course is called the Interdisciplinary Senior Design Capstone. All of the students in the College of Engineering take a capstone course that sort of showcases and lets them use all of the skills they've learned throughout their 4 years. Most of the students that come through the College of Engineering do their design projects within their discipline. So like an electrical engineering group will make an electrical engineering project. So with the interdisciplinary project, we'll bring in students from electrical engineering and computer engineering and material science and mechanical engineering, and they work on a project that uses all of their facets of engineering together.
We have a mix of majors like me, so industrial and systems engineering as well as mechanical engineering. We have a student from the electrical and computer engineering department as well as computer science.
We have 4 main majors, so we have actually 5. We have ISE, we have electrical, mechanical, computer engineering, and computer science.
Some of the projects can be projects that a faculty will bring to us and we work with them to move the project forward. The other projects, we go out and we solicit support from industry sponsors for those projects. And where we'd like to get to is to not only have industry partners, but to look at really some of the nonprofit and then we're actually doing some impact to the community, and that's where we'd really like to move towards.
I have a sister who was in an accident 2 years ago, and she had a partial amputation of her left hand, so she lost these 4 fingers. And this being a humanoid robotics lab, we thought it would be cool to do a project where we're able to build a prosthetic robotic hand for her.
We are automating the water delivery system for a microgreens hydroponic setup. We're maintaining the ingredients and the temperature electrical conductivity of a water reservoir, and we're trying to decrease the human development in the system of actually getting that water into the plants.
We've got 6 main goals. So we're trying to incorporate advanced propulsion systems, so that's your electric motors, connected and automated vehicle systems, that's going to be your automated cruise control, lane keep, and then we're increasing efficiency, safety, and consumer appeal, while on the social side, reaching out and addressing equity and mobility.
So it's a year-long course sequence. And in the fall semester, we do a lot of the planning and the project scoping. And in the spring semester, it's mostly the student teams are just building 15, 20 hours a week, pulling together their designs, building those and then validating them. At the minimum, we'd like the students to really start to appreciate what other disciplines can do. What we'd really like to do is bridge over to this transdisciplinary, where the electrical engineer on the team is no longer working as the electrical engineer, but is working as an engineer with an electrical background. So they might engage with the mechanical design and they bring their understanding to it, but they're working intimately with someone else across a discipline. So they're actually building up skills that they wouldn't have learned formally through their education. When the students finally leave Virginia Tech and they leave these silos of I'm in mechanical engineering and they're in a company or a government entity, they're going to be working at problems completely outside of their disciplinary expertise. And so getting them to understand that Virginia Tech is a foundation and their engineering discipline is a foundation for what they need to do.